To create a transparent Customtkinter window, of course you have to install Customtkinter library, but you also have to install this PyWinStyles library that will allow you to apply a style to your window. So first we create a Customtkinter window. You can set its geometry if you want. We are going to use this function, change style. There's a list of possible style values that you can choose from. This is the chosen style, but I had an issue when applying a style, is that it wasn't applied correctly if I called directly the apply style with the selected choice. I had first to change it to normal, then apply the selected style. Normal means that there is no style. Here is a combo box that has the values of styles. We are going to use it to select the desired style. Usually the style is selected when we create the application, but this one is just to see the available interfaces with this library. We also created a button that we can use to only click or close the window that we are going to use to close the window. Here we have two other calls to other methods that I'm going to talk about later, but first we are going to run our code. So this is the normal style. This is the first selected value, set value when we created this app. Here is Mica style. This one is acrylic. This is the one of the thumbnail. This one is IO. You can see that the widgets do not look great. This is the optimized Win7 inverse. You can see in the inverse style the buttons close, restore and reduce are on the left side of the window. Native, pop-up, dark, light. About the light style is not available in the documentation, but if you make an error and you give a wrong name for the style, you can see in the error message the available styles are displayed and light is one of them. A way to solve this transparent widget issue is to set the opacity to 1, calling the set opacity method. The problem is that it will create another problem that you are going to see right now. If you select, for example, pop-up, it will take ages to apply the style, and you will see later that it will not apply correctly. So display is not as we expected, but it's okay. We're going to see the other acrylic. We have these edges, weird edges at the corners of the widgets, which is normal since we changed their opacity. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question or concern, let me know in the comments below. Bye.